Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dig deep into the most practical and budget-friendly products out there. Today, we're looking at what we can confidently call the best LED light bulbs for energy saving on the market. The TJOY 6-pack A19 LED light bulbs. Whether you're upgrading your home lighting or cutting back on your electric bill, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's talk numbers first. These bulbs are 9 watts each, but they replace traditional 60-watt incandescent bulbs. That's an 85% reduction in energy use. According to the manufacturer, your estimated yearly cost is only about $1.08 per bulb if used for 3 hours a day. Multiply that over a pack of 6 and you're looking at serious long-term savings. Energy efficient, wallet-friendly, and better for the planet. The light temperature is 2700 Kelvin. That's soft warm white. It gives off a cozy, slightly golden glow, perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or anywhere you want a relaxing, comfortable atmosphere. What's especially great is the high color rendering index of 80 Cre, which means colors look natural and vibrant under this light, not washed out or overly tinted. And when you flip the switch, there's no warm-up time. These bulbs turn on instantly with full 800 lumens of brightness, enough to light up a space without being harsh on the eyes. TJOY's bulbs are also designed to be eye-friendly. They're non-flickering and non-dazzling, two features that really matter if you spend a lot of time reading or working under artificial light. They emit no UV or infrared radiation either, which adds an extra layer of safety. Plus, they're OL listed and comply with RoHS and FCC certifications, so they've been tested and verified for electrical safety. Now here's where things get even better. These bulbs are built to last. You're looking at an expected lifespan of 15,000 hours. That's roughly 13.7 years of use at 3 hours per day. So not only are you saving money on energy, but you're also avoiding the hassle of frequent bulb replacements. No mercury, no lead, just clean, efficient lighting that goes the distance. Each bulb has a standard E26 base, which means they'll fit into most fixtures without a problem. Floor lamps, ceiling lights, desk lamps, you name it. They're non-dimmable, so keep that in mind if you're using a dimmer switch, but for most everyday lighting setups, these are a perfect fit. And because they're so efficient, you can confidently use them in high-use areas like the kitchen, hallway, or office. If you're looking to upgrade your home lighting without blowing your budget, this pack is a no-brainer. You can check it out using the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dives into products that actually make a difference. This is Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.